Hello everyone, my name is Adam Lee. Today I'm going to introduce my technology startup Sheen Technologies. So the idea of the company name Sheen means we shine the technology landscape by bringing the latest robotics technologies to South African young generation. So the company mainly focuses on the robotics for educational purposes. There are two brands we are currently promoting in the market. The first one is a Sheen Robotics, supplies the robotics product to South African market. And the second brand we focus on is called the Sheen Academy, which is a STEM and robotics learning center we established. We're currently developing product lines. First one is the EdTech product line, which means the kids, they can play with the educational robotics easily. They can learn how to program, they can learn how to assemble their own robotic kits. This is one of the sample I want to show you guys. So this is the robot kits we got from a prominent supplier called WearSpot. They come up with the idea that lock needs to be very colorful and attractive to children and very easy to assemble. So such kind of kits makes a robotics way easier for young kids to learn how to program, how to make the robot move. So here is one example. I just spent 1 minute to put up. So this is from the WearSpot. This is the main controller, and this is the LED screen, and this is a motor servo to allowing the vehicle to drive. And we can tell the kids, can try to program something like when a car engine starts, when you're sitting in the daddy's car, what do you see, what do you hear? And the kids might probably say, I hear the engine starts and some voice. Then it's easy for them to replicate on the Scratch app. So here I just show you. So this is the program selection before they writing the program into the controller through the mobile app. And the kids just press this is the P1, means the program 1. They just press start. You just need to click this button, which is also pre-programmed. So the car engine will start and you will see something like this. So the logo of our company Sheen comes and a smiling face comes after. You see it's very funny and everything is customizable. So this is the kits and we're using for our teaching aid for Sheen Academy. Our second product line is more for senior, like the students who majors in engineering. The second product line we provide more bit complicated products, like the dog-like robots. We see developed by Boston Dynamics, and humanoid robots, like the one you see here, with many servos to simulate how the real humanoid robot should work. As a STEM educational center, our mission is to provide a tailor-made and hands-on AI and robotics educational solutions and help them to grow such skills and empowering them to take advantages of their digital competencies to solve the real-world problem. This is our mission. Another advantage of our academy is that once your kids joined the membership to have free access to our most advanced Fab Lab. And our Fab Lab comes with the latest equipment, including the computers, the 3D printers, a CNC engraving machine, and some other electronic stuff the kids they can play with. And currently we have a promotion. All the kids join the session, no matter from 6 to 15 years old. You only need to pay 650 rands per session. The ratio of the class is 1 to 6 to or 1 to 8 at maximum. And every kid they can learn more efficiently and more focused. And the educational aid we're using is the WearSpot. The WearSpot is a prominent robotics educational supplier, and their products covers the ages from 3 until adults. So no matter how old your kid is, you can always have the best teaching aid together with the course we developed together from the young age, we divided our classes into 3 categories, including the intro class, the junior class, and the explorer class. For the intro class, your kids will learn some basic logic like the sequence, and your kids will also have immersive session with our experienced instructor on some basic knowledge of the real life and physics and mathematics. Because the kids from 6 to 8, their hands are very small and not as agile as adults. So we are using some larger blocks for kids so they can easily assemble. Everything is just plug and play for kids. There will be 2 programming methods. The first programming method, the kids, they can simply connect the logical blocks together, because each blocks, they are magnetics, and they just need to stick each blocks together to run the program in sequence. And the second way we created, we got many options for the RFID card. So the kids only need to put on those RFID card using the logic, the programming logic they design. Then they use the reading pen to reading in sequence. The program will then be created automatically and execute. So this is for the intro class. The kids can have some basic understanding of how a program comes together and how some basic logic will impact the real-world robot they built. For the junior class, the kids, they can master more advanced technologies, like for the logic, they will learn some conditional logic, some loop logic, and start learning AI function. The key of this course and the teaching aid we provide is to help the kids get rid of the using complicated programming software on the computer. What kids needs to learn is just drag and drop, either on the mobile app or the app on the iPad. And another way we provide for them, even get rid of the mobile devices, we call it the coding pad. It's more like a physical calculator. The kids just need to press the button on the calculator, and all the results will display on the screen. So the kids, they can learn how to program easily, and it provides many functions and command variables. This is for the junior class, and for the knowledge of the junior class, we combine more deeply the physics and mathematics knowledge into the engineering area. So the kids will not only learn how to build a simple structure, but they can also understand how the lever, how the pulley group and the belt comes together to form a more complicated structure. And they also gonna learn how the gear transmission ratio change the force impact. So this is very interesting for the kids to master the physics and mathematics. As for the Explorer class, it's more for the senior age, like a middle high school. For those kids, we provide a comprehensive solutions close to the real-world robotics. From there, the kids can start simulating a real-world factory production line. So that's more fascinating. And the ultimate goal we want to create for South African kids, we call the Sheen Robotics brand. We're going to develop a series of robotics kits for no matter age your kids are, they can do it on their own. Those ones including some generic DIY electronics like MP3 player, like a AC to DC adapter, and even if your kids want to see how a belt is working, we also creating some industrial level simulation kits. And if your kids are interested in the humanoid and dog-like robots, we also have the kits like such kind of humanoid. And another interesting thing is we provide the programmable drone, so your kids will learn not only how to fly, But also, similar to what we have at Sheen Academy, your kids, they can learn programming a drone to fly and following a certain route. So this we're using some technologies to achieve. Thank you for listening my briefings on what we're currently doing at Sheen Technologies. We're looking forward to meet you and your kids at a Sheen Academy. And our online shop domain will be sheen.co.za, sheen.co.za. Thank you guys. Have a lovely day.